In Clay County, the trial of a former sheriff, Darryl Daniels, it got underway this morning with jury selection. Daniels was arrested back in 2020 after a lengthy sex scandal investigation involving a former subordinate.
The trial has already been delayed 3 times. Renata DiGregorio joins us live this afternoon. So Renata, you spent the morning inside the courthouse. What can you tell us so far?
Well, most people say they had heard about this case, they heard it on the news, but even so, they felt they didn't know that much about it and that they could be fair. Those that were stricken already said that they had an opinion, they did not feel that they could be fair. One of the women who was removed came in. She said she was disappointed when she heard about the case, and at that, Darryl Daniels looked up at her, gave a nod, and then appeared to take some notes. About 200 people showed up for jury duty, according to the clerk of court's public information officer, and around half got dismissed pretty quickly due to some reason the judge felt was fine to disqualify them. But now the task is getting down to 6 people to sit on the jury, plus 2 alternates. Daniels pled not guilty to 3 counts of lying to law enforcement and 1 count of evidence tampering, charges brought against him following a sex scandal investigation. According to a Florida Department of Law Enforcement investigation, Daniels instructed his officers to arrest his former lover, Sierra Smith, accusing her of stalking. She was detained but never charged. The investigation found the two had exchanged sexually explicit messages, videos, and images, and that Daniels had sent Smith $30,000 worth of Cash App transfers, according to documents. Daniels admitted to having an affair with Smith for several years, beginning when he was the director of the Duval County Jail and Smith was a correctional officer. The trial could go into next week, and we could hear from Daniels himself. You can follow along so far with what's happening on the First Coast News app. Live in Green Cove Springs, I'm Renata DiGregorio, First Coast News, on your side.